Hey all, just a quick video on diagnosing one of those ones. So if you have a Christmas tree on your dash, the most common issue, it could be your wheel speed sensor or your ABS ring. And if you do not have any OBD scanners or any computers to plug your car into, your head unit has a feature and a secret menu to show if the wheel speed sensor is faulty, and I will show you how to access that. I'm sitting in the w204 C class 180. It should work for all of the different ones as well. This one is 2014. So if you have an issue with your ABS ESP switched off, your cruise control is not working, and you've got obviously the message on your dash, and I've noticed with mine that I lost some power, so it wasn't so responsive. It wasn't in the limp mode, however it was definitely less responsive. So what you need to do is, let me just show you in here. Right, so let's switch on your head unit. Right, so it will be a combination of keys. Disengage, finish your call, hashtag, and number 1. You press and hold all three at the same time. Keep it for a couple of seconds, and you should access a secret diagnostic menu. Let me just show you a bit better. So you control it with your swivel wheel, and you go to head unit information, and you go to the section 3.7 RIZ information, and that will show you in a second how we're going to drive. So we're going to see the figures and the numbers changing. So that will tell you which wheel speed sensor, if it's faulty, is not working. So one of those lines should be 0. So that's going to indicate that there's a fault with one of the sensors in one of the wheels. So I'm going to start the car. To drive. So I'm just going to drive up from the garage, and you see the figures are changing. That means all of my sensors are working. If one of them would be 0, that's your faulty one. So you can go to that corner, go to that wheel, and replace the sensor. My recommendation would be to either go OEM from Mercedes, or if you're going to buy one from eBay, or because there's some sellers that are selling them with stay as they are OEM or original ones, make sure that you give them your VIN or your registration, so car registration, because they have to be very, very accurate which model you're choosing, because some of them they won't work. I hope that helps you to resolve the most common issue with this one. I had once, and that technique helped me out a lot to investigate, so I hope it helps you too. Take care.